In Millennials and Money, NFT, it stands for non-fungible token, and it's a huge trading craze among millennials and younger people. Well, trader Charles Moon, a Prosper Trading Academy, joins me now. Charles, you are into it, but you also are a trader, so you know how to manage your risk. Great to have you here. Tell us in layman's terms, as simply as you can, what is an NFT?
Basically, it's a derivative of crypto. Their NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. So basically, they're built on whatever network. The best way I can describe it is that it could be created by anybody else. It's usually pegged to another coin. The most popular NFTs right now are NBA Top Shots, which basically are digital moments. So the easiest way to describe it is that they're crypto trading cards, but as opposed to a freeze frame screenshot of whatever the action is, it's an actual moment. It's like a replay frozen. And these moments, there's a specific amount created, which is where the value comes in. And of course, the value is helped dictated by demand. So these are being sold off and traded as well. But, NFTs could come in different forms. People are creating their own digital art. And selling them in auction markets, similar to like a Sotheby's. And majority of these are, transactions specific to crypto, as in like you could only purchase or transaction with cryptocurrencies themselves.
Why are millennials going so crazy with it now? Because NFTs have been around for a few years.
An aspect that, one, the crypto hype train is at its peak, of course. Crypto is performing at its peak. A lot of people are jumping into the party late, and a lot of interest is being garnered. And two, what people are noticing is the valuations of these NFTs are, reselling or being sold at a ridiculous valuation or just an extreme price point where it just garners notice. And then, there's a few celebrities out there, a few people that are really into, crypto or the crypto market or the idea of digital currency, really supporting them. People like Gary Vee. Mark Cuban is probably the most public and most vocal supporter of NFTs. So this is kind of where it's really just gaining a lot of steam. It's so new, but, the market demand is really high at this moment.
What are the caveats? Can you lose big with an NFT?
Oh, of course. When it comes down to it, it's extremely speculative. And really, when you think about it, they're just smaller pixelated pieces of art that are selling. So there's going to be moments where you're going to see the NFT market just be a complete pump and dump. And then there's going to be some value in the NFT market. I think most notably, they're going to be surrounded around toys or comic books, and really sports.
The old pump and dump, where someone is hyping up a stock, or in this case, an NFT, and then they dump it, and the people who bought in are the big losers. And I don't tend to offer my opinion on the show, but here it goes. If you can't understand and you can't explain it in one sentence, I don't think an NFT is for everybody. And in this case, in my book, there are so many unknowns.
I agree. This is a very limited market. The younger generation, I guess, is the ones that have a high level of interest because they're kind of into the flipping game already with Pokemon cards and regular baseball, basketball cards. Where the interest lies is all the people that are getting interested into crypto. And, the newfound rush and demand into crypto and the flight from kind of equities into crypto over this last 5 months or so is where a lot of the newer interest is coming in. So I would say for those that are looking, it's kind of part Sotheby's, art auction, part crypto trading analysis. Overall, again, it's a very typecast type of market. It's not for everybody. Guys like Gary Vaynerchuk and Mark Cuban absolutely love the idea of NFTs. There's more money being flooded into it because they feel that this is another market where valuations can grow. But truth be told, it's so new. Everything is really speculative. And I got to be honest with you, I'm not fully sold on it myself. I'm just a part of the game because I like to flip. When you trade, buy low, sell high. It's the same thing with these NBA moments. It's the same thing with card collecting.
Charles, I know some people are making money with NFTs, but there's still so much to learn about this topic. Thanks so much for your explainer today.
Thank you for having me, Angie.
This is First AM. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.